Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to make beautiful text with shadows. Create a new document with the following resolution. Press T and click on the screen. Type your text. Press Ctrl A. Click on Color Picker and pick any color you want. Click OK. For size, type 826. Expand fonts. Choose any font you like. Click on OK or press Escape. Press V for Move tool. Press Ctrl A. Click on these two Align to Center buttons. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Click twice on text layer. Select Bevel and Emboss. For depth, type 150. Size 20. Soften 5. Angle 55 degrees. Select Contour. Choose Rounded Steps. Select Drop Shadow. For opacity, type 60. Angle 55%. Distance 50. Spread 0. Size 15. Click OK. Make a new layer. Right-click on New Layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Press B for Brush. Right-click on the screen and click twice on any brush you like to use. I'm gonna take Hard Round. Now pick a different color. Make fun with your text. Select the background. Go to Adjustments and select Solid Color. Just click OK. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.